does it take for design to thrive? It takes an environment that promotes collaboration. Many minds are greater than one, but only if they're going in the same direction. It takes an intuitive system that enriches the designer's process. After all, what good is a tool if it holds you up? A tool must accelerate the process. It takes an efficient tool that makes light of the heaviest lifting. It must multiply your efforts. This year's release is a suite of tools that advances all of those needs. With a connected ecosystem, streamlined workflows, and improved performance, it's sure to give you the edge. Join us for the 2020 release.